Hello students, it's Alison from Engli-teach and welcome back for another wonderful, quick but excellent English lesson from the heart of the UK in London. Today I'm going to teach you some different phrases to say that you don't like something or don't like someone. You could use some of these phrases in either of those situations. Some of the phrases may even make you or the person listening cry. Just kidding, not really, I hope not. But anyway, let's get started on with the lesson. So the first phrase is, I'm really not feeling it, or I'm really not feeling it myself. An example, ooh, do you fancy some Indian food tonight? No, I'm really not feeling it myself. No, not tonight. I'm really not feeling it. Now let's move on to the next one. Keen, keen. This is a good one. We use this a lot, keen. It's a quirky little word actually, and I often don't really see this referred to much in English teaching books, but in everyday English, we use this word a lot. So mark this one in your memory, keen. Now let's look at it in a sentence. Would you like cream or ice cream with your apple pie? I'm not that keen on ice cream. I'll stick to cream, thanks. You can also insert the word that to show differentiation but a possibility. An example? Would you like cream or ice cream with your apple pie? I'm not that keen on ice cream, but go on, I'll have a little bit today, thanks. Using it at work. How'd you like your new colleague, John? To be honest, I'm not that keen on him. He's not very friendly. Again, in everyday conversation, talking to friends or colleagues. Do you like skiing? I'm not keen on skiing, to be honest. It's a bit too cold for me. When I like to go on holiday, I like the heat. I hit the beach. Now, this next one we use so much. Everybody uses this next phrase, so make sure you grab this one, and I bet some of you may already know it, but do you know the different ways that you can use it in? Let's see. I'm sick of. I'm sick of. I'm sick of telling you again and again and again, tidy up your room. Oh, how many times have I said that to my children? I'm sick of that new girl. You know, I really don't like her attitude. Not very kind, but we do say it. I'm sick of English teachers telling me that I must learn my grammar. I learn it every single day. Do you? Now, if you're ready to take your English up a notch or two, then you will want to learn this one. I don't appreciate. You can use this in so many ways, so let's crack on. I don't appreciate you speaking to me in that tone. It's really not very polite. Ooh. I don't appreciate the way that you are behaving. It's not appropriate. Now let's switch out don't for didn't when we're talking about the past tense. Actions that have happened already in the past. I didn't appreciate the way they told me that I had failed. It was very direct and it did upset me. A letter explaining the reasons why would have been much nicer, I think. I didn't appreciate the way he just drove past me. Look, he splashed my new dress. Now this next one is one that is pretty much used very much by real English people, and if you want your English to get better, You want to learn this one because you can use it in a variety of different ways. Fond of, fond of. I'm not fond of learning a language only from a textbook. I much prefer attending a live class lesson or course. It's a lot more interactive and it helps me more with my learning. I'm not fond of people who are always negative. It really brings me down and it can ruin my day. I'm not fond of people who are not kind to animals. It tells me a lot about their character. Now let's rev up the volume with some English that's a little bit more direct, or in some cases a lot more direct. Now, careful the tone of voice you use and how you say this one. The context is important. I can't stand. I can't stand my new boss. He is driving me mad. Like I said, you want to be careful. I can't stand it when you're watching something good on the TV and they cut it and make you wait until the next episode. I can't stand it when restaurants serve me coffee with my dessert. I like it after my dessert. And the last one for today, I've had enough. I've had enough. That's it, I've had enough. I told you again and again and again, but you didn't listen, and now look what's happened. I've had enough of listening to jazz. Can we listen to some rock now? Now, when you use this word, I've had, or this phrase, I've had enough, it's really when you are at the end of patience quite often. So you can use this in a comical way, a funny way, or you can use it in a much firmer, stricter way. It's up to you. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning with Engli-teach, and as ever, if you go along to my website, Engli-teach.com, you can get a lesson for free and start learning English with lots of the amazing resources, courses, and all sorts of other good things that I put inside of your free access English learning account. So, you know what to do. Head over to Engli-teach.com. See you next lesson. Or toodaloo, as we say in true British style.